Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today is day 8 of our W3 School Python series. So let's get started. Now open Google and type W3 School Python. Enter. Now click on Python tutorial W3 Schools. Now you will get this page. In previous videos, we already seen Python introduction, how to install Python, Python syntax, comments, variables. Now in this video, we are seeing the concept of output variables. Already we have seen variable names, assign multiple values. Now we are seeing output variables. In Python, what are output variables? So let's get started. Output variables. In Python, print statement is often used as output variable. To combine both text and a variable, we can use plus character. For example, x is the variable. We are assigning awesome as a value to variable x and we are printing Python is plus x. So we are adding Python is with the variable x. So we will get Python is awesome. In this way, we can add a text and a variable. We will see practically later. First, we will see the examples. And next concept is, we can also use the plus character to add a variable to another variable. In previous example, we have seen text with variable. Now, in this example, we are seeing a variable to another variable. So, x is one variable, Python is value, and y is another variable, awesome is another value. Now z equal to x plus y. Now we are printing z. What we are doing here is we are adding two variables and we are assigning that addition to this variable z, and later on we are printing z. We will see practically later. And for numbers, the plus works as a mathematical operator. For example, if we take a variable and we assign integer value 5 and y equal to 10, then we are printing x plus y. Here 5 and 10 are integers and we are adding with plus. So we are getting x plus y equal to 5 plus 10, 15. In that way, we will get the output. And if you try to combine a string and a number, Python will give an error. So, if variable x equal to 5 and if variable y equal to John, this is integer type and this is string type. If we add both int and string, then Python will give error. In later classes, we will see how to overcome this error. Now we will see practically. Now first we will see this example. In this example, what we are seeing is we can add variable and a text. So click on try it yourself. Now click on run. What we are doing is x is a variable and it contains string data type. See, we are getting Python is awesome. Here what we are doing, here awesome is the value which is in x and we are adding text with variable. So we are getting Python is awesome output. In this way we can add text and a variable. And now how to add two variables. Now click on try it yourself. See, here x is Python is and y awesome. Now we are adding two variables and assigning that value to z. Now click on run. We are printing z value. See, we are getting Python is awesome. In this way we can add two variables. Now for numbers, Plus works as a mathematical operator. For example, if we take x equal to 5 and y equal to 10, both are integers, no? Then we add x plus y, then we will get addition of both. So click on try it yourself. Now click on run. X equal to 5, y equal to 10, then we are adding and we are printing the value. Then we are getting 15 as the number. In this way, we can add two integers. Now, if we try to combine a string and a number, Python will give you an error. Here x equal to 5, it is integer type, and y equal to John, this is string type. If we add this int and John, we will get error. Now we will see practically. Now click on try it yourself. Now click on run. See, here we are getting unsupported operand type for int and str. Here x is integer, John is string. So here we are getting unsupported operand between integer and string. We are getting error. So in Python, we are not able to add integer and string together. In this way, we need to use output variables. In the next session, we will see global variables. What are global variables and what are examples, we will see in the next session. This is the concept. And later on, we will see variable exercises. And in another class, we will see data types, numbers, casting, strings, booleans, operators, list, tuple. We will see all these concepts. After that, file handling, Python modules, Python NumPy, these are libraries. We will see one by one. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep coding.